This video I will actually show you the live demo of my actual tool website that I developed. So this is actually a FFmpeg WebAssembly unlimited video, audio and image converter. So it's a drag and drop tool. So here you will drag and drop your image file, video file or audio file, and you can convert from one format to another. So if you visit freemediatools.com, and I actually just added this tool, FFmpeg video, image and audio converter. If you go to this, it is live here in this address. So you can visit this URL and just try this. So this is the drag and drop feature, and it is developed inside Next.js, latest version of Next.js. And you will select any PNG, JPG file, any image type you can select. So this file will be selected. You will see that. Now there is this drop down interface out there. You can convert this PNG image. It also shows you the size of this image, which is 394 kilobyte. And here you can select all these formats: JPG, PNG, BMP, ICO, icon. So you can select any of these WebP format. Let's suppose I want to convert. So if I have the convert now button, if I click this, you will see nice little animation will take place, and it will show you this notification that the process is done. Now you can download them, and if you open this, you will see it will open it inside the browser. It's a WebP file. And the nice thing about that, it's an unlimited converter, so there is no restriction on the size of the file, and you can even upload multiple images at one time as well. So if you have a lot of images that you want to convert, so what you can do, you can select multiple images. So you will see I'm selecting these all these images. You will see at one time you can just convert. You can select format here. So let's suppose if you want to convert this to PNG, this one to SVG, or this one to JPG, this one to icon file, this one to. So you can see that you can just process bulk images at once, multiple images. You can select different formats if you want to convert them. So like this. So now we have the convert now button. So bulk processing will take place. So once it finishes, it will show you like this done button one by one. So it will show you, it will just do one by one processing. So once it finishes, it will show you this notification that all these things are done. You can individually download one image at a one time, or if you want to download, you will see that the image will open. You will see that. So if you want to download all images at once, you can simply download them. You can see that. So now one by one, all these images will get downloaded. You will see that. You can check out these images. This is a WebP image, so it will open it in the browser. So all these images have been successfully converted. So bulk processing is supported by this tool. So it is actually coded inside Next.js, guys. You will see we are actually using 14.0.4 version, React 18. So this is actually the overall project. If you are interested in purchasing this full project with full source code and documentation, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com, where you will actually get the checkout page where you can actually make the payment, and after the payment you will actually get the codes from Google Drive. You will actually get this zip file from Google Drive after you make the payment on procodestore.com. And alongside the checkout page, you will also find the live demo link. So before purchasing, please do try this tool on this website, so that you can just try the live demo before purchasing it. And now you can even upload audio files as well. So it's a MP3 file. You can convert this to any format: WAV format, AAC, OGG. You will see that. Convert now. So the conversion is completed. Now you can open that. If you want to convert a video file, let's suppose, so you will upload your MP4 file. So these are all the converter out there for the video: MP4, M4V. So all these converters, you will see that WebM format, MKV. So you will see if I select MKV, click convert now. So the video is converting from MP4 to MKV. So it totally depends upon the size of the video, so which format you are converting to. So it is basically run by FFmpeg in the browser using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So it does take some time, because it is doing this processing in the browser. So if your file is really large, in that case it will take some time. but the process will take place. So you can just start the process and you can do your own thing, and when it completes it will give you the notification and then you can download your file. So you can see that the processing is going on. Let me take a different example. Let's suppose if I want to convert this into this format. So it totally depends upon the size of the video. You can also try that as well alongside your browser as well. So let me just try out to actually convert this into a audio file, MP3. You will see the FFmpeg WebAssembly library. You will see found MP3 found. So it is running it in the browser. So it takes time to complete for the video, especially for the video. Images and audio work really fast, but when it comes to video files, FFmpeg does take a lot of time. So you can try out inside your browser as well. So I just want to show you in this video all the features of this software. So it does complete, but it depends upon the size of the video. So you will see we coded inside Next.js. This is a layout file. If you see, we given the title, description. So if you want to deploy this website, you will actually run this command. You can see we are running it locally. If I open here localhost 3000, let me just open it locally, because we are all running it locally on if I open this, you will see the same application will open locally on localhost 3000. So the command is very simple, npm run dev. This will actually start your development server on localhost 3000. So once you purchase it, you will actually get a zip file. You need to extract the content, and after you extract the content, simply first of all install the node modules npm i and then start the project by npm run dev. This will actually start your development server. So localhost 3000. So if you also check, this is a main page dot file. You will see that this is a drop zone file where you drag and drop. So it's coded inside TypeScript. This is all the components which are involved: button, select. So you can see that toaster. So these are all the functions. We are loading the FFmpeg library by the CDN. If you see FFmpeg WebAssembly library, if you don't know, FFmpeg, it's a uh, open source audio video processing library. So it's a command line library, but FFmpeg WebAssembly makes sure that it runs in the browser itself. So if you see, so it completes, you will see that. So you can convert your video to MP3. It also completes, you will see the video is so converted to MP3 file. So you can download the MP3 file. You will see that it has been downloaded. So if you want to convert the video file, you will select video. So if you want to convert into 3GP, so for the videos I already told you it will take some time depending upon the length of the video. So but it does complete. You can check out before purchasing it at the checkout page. I have given the link on my website where you can actually try this tool online, freemediatools.com, and here I have actually added this tool, FFmpeg video. So this is actually the tool right here, and if I show you, you can see now it's completed. You can download your video file. You will see that. So it takes some time, but it's a very effective tool. And you will see that we are loading the FFmpeg core library, FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So it's a good starting point if you are a student, if you are applying for a job. It's a good little project that you can study on how to actually use FFmpeg WebAssembly library in an actual Next.js project. It's a real life project which you will make, After you purchase it, you will be getting to learn a lot by actually implementing it inside the Next.js application. So step by step, I actually coded this project. You will see full documentation is written alongside with each line of code. So you will get to understand. And if I show you the package.json, we have used these dependencies, which is React dialog. You will see that these are the dependencies I have used, and for the styling I have used Tailwind CSS. You will see Tailwind CSS is an external CSS framework for styling your user interfaces. So we have used Tailwind CSS. So if you don't know about FFmpeg WebAssembly, it's a tool which lets you let developers use FFmpeg in the browser. This is their official website. You can read the documentation. So really good library for building these two little websites. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.